Today is Monday, September 12th, 2022. It is also day 420 of web dev and day 46 of JavaScript. And today I'm going to do something just simple. I'm just going to have, when I click on a box, that the background color of the box changes its background color. So I'll start with HTML and I'll say doc type HTML, and that's just telling the browser, hey, I'm writing an HTML5. And then I'll put in my HTML tags, and then I'll put in my body tag, and inside the body tag, I'll just have a div um, with a class called box, and then I'll go into CSS and then target the box by using dot notation because that's how we target classes, and then give it a border of 5 pixels, solid line border, black line border. Give it a height of, let's say, 200 pixels and a width of 250 pixels. And then give it a background of the following color over here. All right, and so then this is where JavaScript comes in now. So the point is when I click on the box, I would want the background color to change. So I'm going to go to JavaScript, and I'm going to have to target the actual box. And to do that, I might as well just give it an ID of box just so that things are easier for me. So here in JavaScript, I'll create a variable called box, and then I'll have to access the box from the DOM, which is just your browser's copy of your HTML page. And in other words, it just turns all of your elements into objects, right? So that JavaScript can work with them because, again, JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language. So that's why it needs to work with your HTML elements as objects, and that's what the DOM, which is the document, does for it. And so then I'll do document and then use a function get element by ID, and that's going to return one element, or at least one object. In this case, it's going to be the one that has an ID of box. And then at this point, I would make a variable, or at least a function. I'm going to call it on box click, and I'm going to do function. And then what I would want is to target the box, target its background. So to do that, I have to actually start target its CSS, which is style, and then do the actual property that I want to change and just set it equal to whatever color I want it to change to. So maybe something like, I don't know, maybe this, and then just do hashtag and then paste that in there. And at this moment, nothing's going to happen if you click on the box. And the reason is because I haven't told the box how to react. I've just defined how, like, what I want to happen here. So to do that, I'll select the box and then I'll do add event listener. And what that's going to do, it's going to make the box listen for when I click on the box, and then it's going to, and so when I do click on the box, it's going to call this function over here. And so let me save that, reload. Oh, and I don't think it's working. Hold up, let me see. Yeah, I spelled this wrong. It's element by ID. Let me save that. And now it works, right? So my bad, I just spelled element wrong. But so the idea is, right, when you click on the box, it just changes color, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So yeah, and then to just make it prettier, just remove the border, I guess. But I'm not gonna get way too much into styling today. What in the world just happened? I just clicked on the wrong tab. Anyway, yeah, this is pretty much it for today. Bye.